First, you want to start by logging into the system. Once you are logged in, select the Home button. On the screen, you should see a New Order button. Press this. From there, you will select Repack, then Add. The system will then prompt you to scan the barcode on the medication bottle. Make sure you select the correct medication on the screen. It should be highlighted in red. Select OK, then enter the number of bags you want to package. In this example, we want to package 100 pills, so we will type in 100 bags. Then hit OK again. Then, select Finish and pick the medication you want to package from the list. After this, you will select Process. It may take a moment to process. Then, you will select the medication from the orders list and press Dispense. While it is starting up, grab a wheel and put it on the stand. Once the packages start coming out, attach it to the wheel properly. There will be a clip on the wheel that you can attach the packaging to and a space to put the remaining packaging so it doesn't get twisted. There is also a foot pedal that you can use to catch up the packaging and create better tension for tighter wrapping. The wheel will wrap the medication packaging for you. Once it is all done, remove the wheel from the stand by pressing in the middle and pulling the wheel. When packaging a canister medication, a refill notification screen will appear on the active order screen. This screen will show you the canister number, which you can find on the front of the packager. There will be a button to push that opens the drawer. Make sure to match the number on the screen with the canister number. Remove the empty canister from the open drawer and check to see if the canister is empty. If the canister still has remaining pills in it, shake it to dislodge them. Place the canister back on the base and click Resume. Once the canister is empty, you can move on to the next step. Using the cordless scanner, scan the canister barcode. Then, scan the manufacturer's QR code on the bottle. This will update the lot and expiration date, while scanning the barcode will not. If there's no QR code, you can scan the barcode, but you must enter the lot number and expiration date manually. When the tear screen appears, place the empty canister on the scale with the lid open. Ensure the scale is stable and a G symbol will appear on the scale. Select tear on the touch screen, not on the scale. Fill the canister with the manufacturer's bottle you just scanned. On the touch screen, select Count. This weighs the pills to count them. From the left menu, select the empty button to reflect the quantity before refill. The number of pills counted will be displayed under Quantity to Add. Select Add. The quantity after refill will display the total number of pills in the canister. Make sure your lot and expiration date on the screen match the ones on the bottle. Stop here. This is where you will need a pharmacist to check the refill. After it has been checked by a pharmacist, you can proceed by selecting Next, scanning the canister's barcode, and placing the canister back in its drawer. Make sure to match the canister number with the number on the base. Press Resume to continue, and the packager will start and finish the run. To begin, you will follow similar steps that we just went over when doing the canister medications. Once you select the medication from the orders list, you will select the Tray Details button. There will be a list of medications for each cell slot. Select the cell 1 of the medication list, then select Update on the bottom right. If the manufacturer's lot or expiration date have changed, this is where you can change it by selecting each one. It will pull up a screen for you to edit them. Once you've updated them, press the Follow button at the bottom of the screen. This will update the entire order. The information entered will be reflected on the medication list. Next, you'll select Close, then select Dispense. The tray screen will appear and the tray will open. Enter the tray number under the scan tray. The tray number can be seen a little further down on the screen. Select the medication and the tray on the screen will light up to show you where each pill needs to go. Place one pill in each required cell, then close the tray and hit Resume. Then you will set up the wheel just like you did before to wrap the packaging. Pharmacists will need to check the bottle when checking any tray medications, so make sure you save it for them. Move your wheel of packaged medication over to the Perl and attach it to the spoke. Make sure you have the clear side up with the package teeth facing you. Pull the bag under the bar and line the first pocket with the first pill inside the camera space. Avoid getting your finger in the window of the camera. The end bag will be scanned first. Select Start and Stop on the screen. Then you will push the packaged medication under the roller. If the pouches are good, all of the boxes on the screen will be green. Any issues will be red. Log into Perl Web on the PC. If the batch is all green, it will default to the completed side. A pharmacist can go ahead and check it if so. However, if any packages need attention, they will highlight in red. These packages will appear under the Alarms Present tab. There will be a red box surrounding the area of the pouch that requires attention. If the pill is recognized, there will be a green dot on the pill. You can then select a reason for the alarm from the options at the bottom of the screen. For example, in this case, we have a package that has 2 pills instead of 1 and a package that has no pill. So, we will select the Extra Pills button. A comment box will appear. Here is where you will enter a comment with enough detail to inform the pharmacist of what was done to fix the error. In this case, we are going to move one of the extra pills into the package with no pill. So, we will leave a comment for the pharmacist that says, "We moved the extra pill into the other pouch." Then, we will move on to the next alert. On the empty pouch, we will select the Missing Pills button. Here, we will leave a comment that says, "Move the extra pill from this pouch into here." Once our problems are fixed, the boxes will appear with a green wrench on them. From here, your job is done and it is time for a pharmacist to come check the packaging.